Excited. Can't wait to get started. Last night was a great honour to finally get the deal signed. Disappointing result, but I can't wait to get started. Tonight we'll probably speak to the players either individually or as a group tonight, and we'll go from there. The pressure comes from me. Yeah, Warren's a friend. We all have friends in football. I'm sure Warren 2 weeks ago never thought that he would be manager of this football club. Opportunities arise. I'm ready for the challenge. I'm excited about it, and so I'm looking forward to Saturday. If the game down at Warren Point. Predictions for the game: it's going to be a tough game. Yeah, football's football. Managers change, and I've been in dressing rooms before, in and around football clubs, and managers have been sacked or left. So I'll go in. I'm sure the players will be fine. Some will be disappointed. So it happens where managers come in and sort of change the players, change whatever, and players get disappointed. But what I do want, if players are disappointed, to go and show it on a Monday, Tuesday, Thursday when we're training, and more importantly on a Saturday, and show me why they should be in the team. Yeah, it's huge excitement. It's a fantastic honour for me to be managing this football club. The success, I grew up with a lot of success supporting Linfield, so I've seen it sort of further away from but a close hand now. I can't wait. So I had a huge honour when I first spoke to Linfield, and as you say, the excitement, I can't wait.